It is with great pleasure that I introduce to you today a new legend, Tormenta, Rampage! Are you guys ready? Oh, what's happening? Okay, now let's go to the world records. Are you ready to hear this? Let's begin with height. Standing at a world record height of 179 feet. Impressive. Standing 179 feet, breaking the world record for the world's tallest vertical loop. We have the world's tallest vertical loop. And as you know, that's not the first thing you encounter on this ride. So I look forward to going through that with you guys. It's so long, we basically can serve you lunch while you're going through it. World record number 2, and I bet you can guess that there's 6 world records. I don't know why there's 6. There's actually more, so you can follow along at home, but the 6 that we're gonna call out today. Number 2, standing at an extremely impressive height of more than 260 feet. The world's tallest Emmelman. Oh, 218 feet. 218 feet. So extremely tall. Very cool. You can see the glimpse of that first drop, no doubt. Next, let's go to record number 3. I'm gonna pull out my cheat sheet, make sure I'm doing it in the correct order. Record number 3. Let's talk speed. Let's move away from height for a second. Coming in at a record speed, a world record, fastest dive coaster on planet Earth, 87 miles an hour. World's fastest dive coaster. Next world record. Coming in at number 4. Let's go to length. How long is it? Is it 2,000 feet? No. Is it 3,000 feet? No way. Is it more than 4,000 feet? You know it. Coming in at a record, and as you know, these numbers are all very specific. It can never be a round number. Coming in at a very specific 4,199 feet, the world's longest dive coaster. Gives you more of a glimpse. Next world record, number 5. Let's look at the angle. Is it 85? No, it is not. Is it 90? You know we can do better. Coming in at a beyond vertical 95 degrees. And it is a tall 95 degrees. The drop, how big is it? Not 250, not 270, a record 288 feet, looking straight down at the ground at 95 degrees. Woo. Now, of course, the big number, how tall is it? What category will this ride go in? Well, there's only one category that it can be. If you're dropping 285 degrees or 285 feet, it's gotta be taller than 300 feet. And as many of you know, the magic number, 309. 309 feet. The world's tallest dive coaster on planet Earth. Officially, the great state of Texas has a giga coaster that we cannot wait to ride with you guys. It is also the tallest floorless coaster on planet Earth, and there's many other records that the ride shatters, but those are the big 6. But most importantly, are you guys ready to see what this ride's gonna look like in motion? Take a sneak peek. Let's take a sneak peek and see the power of Tormenta, Rampaging Run.
Hands up. It is a 45-degree angle going up the lift, and the height requirement is 48 inches.